Hello guys, in this video I will just search how to get the AI and detect in format of text, videos and so on. So all what I need to do is just type and detect AI humanize, and you go for the first link, and there you go guys. Each text that you want to do via chat GPT, let's say, or so on, I will just bring someone, give me random generated paragraph, give me random generated paragraph, give me random generated paragraph. So this one is generated via AI. You want to get this and just you want to humanize it. You will wait for it to be like literally humanized AI paragraph instead of that, and you will get the updates keywords on that paragraph to be as human inspiration. I hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.